Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a Christmas card using the Modern Christmas Specialty Designer Series paper, the Ornamental Christmas stamp set, and I forgot to get them out, but the branching out dies, okay? So before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. I have our cozy Christmas paper pumpkin kit here that's going to make 9 Christmas cards with classic charm, and it has flocked details, okay, that look like stitching. Okay, pecan pie is the stamping spot. Abundant joy add-on dies will coordinate with this kit. Also, November and December's paper pumpkin kit, and it's only $12. The item number is 167855 for those dies. The link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. You redeem your rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's get started on our project. The first thing we're going to do is some stamping. So I have some Pretty in Pink ink here, and I'm going to stamp "'Tis the Season" right here in the middle. This is just some scrap paper. And then we have our inside piece that is basic white. This is also basic white, but our inside piece is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to stamp on this one, "Be Jolly." And I forgot, wait a minute. Forgot my other stamp I wanted to stamp on here. Let me get it. I needed my Christmas tree. I wanted to do a tree. So we need to get that here. I wanted to place this one first because I want to make sure I don't stamp my "Be Jolly" too far over, because I wanted that next to this. Just like that. Oh, and I goofed. So let's do that again. This time, try not to rock my stamp so I won't get the little halo. I'm gonna put that right there, straight down, straight up. Good job. Okay, that is all of our stamping done. So next, I'm gonna take the Modern Oval Punch, and we're gonna punch out our sentiment, "'Tis the Season." So let's try to get that centered in this punch. Straight, if you will. That would be best. Straight is always good. Okay, so we have that done. So now we can start building up our card. So let's go ahead and get this inside done. I have like an 1/8 inch piece of designer series paper that we're going to put on the inside. It was just really basically a scrap piece, because I usually make my inside pieces a little bigger, but this is what I had in scrap, so I said I'm just going to use it. I'm going to do it just like that. Take our scissors and trim off the extra little bits there. We're going to get our stamping seal to put on the back of this so we can add this to a piece of Pretty in Pink that is 5 by 3 3/4. We're going to add this on just like that. And we're going to get some liquid glue and add this to our card base, which is Old Olive 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. So we're going to add this to the inside of our card here, just like that. And that's the inside done. So then we have another piece of Pretty in Pink. This one is 5 1/4 by 4. And we're going to add some elements to it. So we have some designer series paper here. We have 2 pieces. One is 5 by 2, and the other is 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. And we're going to mat that on some old olive that is 1 7/8 by 3 7/8 and a 5 1/8 by 2 1/8. Oh, those two. Ooh. I think this might be my favorite piece of designer series paper in this paper pack, the Fa La 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 La. We had some designer series paper once before that had the Fa La La, and I think it was red and white, and I used that paper so much, and I think it was smaller, the font, but oh man, I really liked it. Uh-oh, did I move that once I put that down? Goodness gracious, I couldn't have put that on there that crooked. I know I don't put stuff on straight, but that was really crooked. Is my paper crooked? Oh goodness, I'll have to fix that. Okay, that could be possible. I could have cut it crooked. So we'll add this to its mat. Just like this. Scooch over a little bit. Okay, let me get my paper trimmer here. I'm gonna cut this down just slightly to get that straight. Okay. So now we are going to add this piece here onto our cardstock, and I want this. We're going to add this right here like this, just like that. We're going to take this one and we're going to add this all the way to the edge here, just like this. Ooh, was I supposed to put that down yet? Try to get it straight. It doesn't look too straight. Okay, just like that. Next, we are going to add some elements. So I have 2 pieces that die cuts from the branching out dies. We're going to add these on, along with a piece that I fussy cut from the other side of this designer series paper. So I want these over here hanging out. I'm trying to see. I think I want the gold piece coming out this way. Okay. I just need to make sure I know what I'm doing. Because like I tell you guys, I design these cards and I know what I want to use on it, but I might not necessarily, get my take your pick tool to help me out here. I might not necessarily put it together to see how it's going to look. So half the time I'm making these cards, I'm just hoping and praying that everything looks good together. So we're going to put that right there. And we're going to have this one kind of coming, let's do about like this, I think. And I'm going to have this coming out. Or do I want it out this side? Let's see. Which way should I have it? Coming out to the right here. Like this. Coming out over here. Or just right here. I think I'm gonna do it right there. Right there down the middle. I think this was done on adhesive sheets too. Yep. These little ones, so I don't have to add glue to it. I like the adhesive sheets. Whoop. Okay, and then I think I want to pop this one up on dimensionals. So let's get some mini dimensionals here to pop this up. One more should do. We're going to pop this up. And we're going to put this right here. I want that other little branch to show behind there. So we'll put that about like that. just like that. Then we're going to take our sentiment here, and I want to kind of get something on the edges of this. Let me see. Here's my green brush here. Get me some scrap paper. I don't know what green this is. I don't even know how much is on here, but we're just going to dirty up our cardstock so it won't be so stark white. Just a little bit, see? Just, it makes it look a lot better to me. And we're going to pop this up on some Stampin' Dimensionals. I should have got the regular size one for this, but these will work. You guys, I'm being good. I'm not even adding a bunch of dimensionals. Okay, we're going to pop this over right here. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la la. Okay, now we're going to add this to our card base. And then we're going to be almost done. Just have a few more elements to add to this card. So we're going to put this right here like that. And then we're going to get the gold and white and black twine, a baker's twine. This comes in the suite with the designer series paper and the stamp set and all the things. Oh my goodness. I don't know which color I want to use. I think I'll just go ahead and use this. I'm just going to tie a little bow. Maybe it might be a big bow. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna tuck it under here. I want to tuck it under here. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, we're doing this big bow. We're gonna get some glue dots. I need like a good size glue dot here. We're gonna put on the back of our little knot here. Let me get my take your pick tool. And I'm gonna stick that on there so I can just push that under here. Because I need that to go all the way under. Just like that. Whoop. Want my tails coming down this way. Go under, under. I need my bow. There we go. My bow keeps coming from under there. The loop. Okay. So now we're going to add some sequins from the traditional sparkling sequins. And you guys can guess what color I'm going to use. Gold. Because, yeah, why not? I'm going to have one there, one here. I'm going to get one of these. Why not put that right there so it could be some bling up under there. Then I want to get a couple of more. Put one here. And maybe a medium. Ooh, I could use some, I could have used green. I should have used the green. Yeah, I should have used the green. Let me see. Will these come up easily? Let's switch these out for green. Because I don't want to use, I'm using gold a lot, and I want to use the other colors. That's a big one, goes up there. So there we go. That actually looks, it stands out more too. So let's take that medium one off. Put that there. Take this little one off. Switching up the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we have it. That is our card done. Isn't this cute? My tails would stay in. There you go, you guys. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.